now show you a quick demo of computer built by myself. Recent build, AMD platform. Here is the case, thermal take case, high quality case. Inside we have the latest nvme. Here we have some fans, front fans, up fans, lower end fans. Here are the USB ports. Here are additional fans. Here we have water grommets for water cooling if you have. And that's it. Let's start the computer so we can see how fast it is. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. I press the button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We are ready. Very fast computer, what I can say. Let me open a browser for you. Hop, Quicks. It launches instantly, like everything I do. It launches instantly. It doesn't have internet. That's why here you don't see any pages, unfortunately. But let me try a page for you. Okay, so we have internet now. I just connected it. Here is the glowing fan, very cool, which I like. Here we have additional glowing fans. Here on the back I think as well, I'm not really sure. Okay, let's try to open some heavy thing. Okay, this is Costa Rica demo. Let's try on 4K, for example. As you can see, 4K running, not a problem. But I don't have 4K screen, that's the trouble. My screen is Full HD, so I will leave it to Full HD. What else? I will go to some heavy page. Okay. Okay. Of the computer, let's see how fast it is. Restart. Let's count. It's restarting, as you can see. It's just restarted. Still waiting. Starting. I think it's very fast. It loads extremely quickly for me. It loaded up already. It booted up is the right word. Very fast. Let's try one more time, just to be made sure. so nothing is changed. Okay, I'm pressing the restart now. Here is the computer, as you can see. No gimmicks, nothing. We'll simply move the camera a little bit. As you can see, you see the whole screen. And voila, it's ready. Phenomenal speed. Phenomenal speed. Let's see the numbers, what the numbers will say. Here is the health. Okay. Here is performance. Let's test the performance. Here are the current numbers. I will show you the case one more time. It's simple case, nothing fancy. It doesn't even have some side fans like this case, but it has some great glow effects. Also for the water, also a lot of what I can say, a lot of options for future expandability. Let me show you how it's inside till we make the benchmark. Just a quick glimpse or whatever it's called. So okay, very easy removable thing, the side panel, I think it's called. Here, what we have here, Thermaltake PSU 500. I think it's good power supply. What else? We have Devil at the Radeon. Here we have the AMD CPU, data memory. We have, I think on the front, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's LG. It's LG, barely visible. And the star of the show. Here you are. Very hard to see, but let me. This is it. The star of the show. Samsung Drive. Okay. Very cool. Very quiet. The noise that you can see is my air conditioning. So yeah, 1 fan, 2 fan, 3 fan, 4, 5, yeah, a lot of fans. I think the benchmark is ready. Let's check it out. Almost 3,000 and one yeah, very good result, as you can see. Let's see how much is the fastest, which they claim on this Evo series. Okay, the fastest is where is the fastest? Right is 1. So we're into the maximum, as you can see. This is the claimed result. Here you are. This is the write, and the read 3,200. Okay, we're here. So yeah, a little bit under this thing, but still very good. Still very good. I'm very impressed with the performance. Okay, everything works. So that was it.